I am Dr. A.J. Krishna Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today, I will going to explain how to draw the orthographic views when the rod diameters are given. This is the assembly of socket spigot cotter joint. Individual part of that cotter joint when I connected the two round rods are spigot, socket and cotter. Socket and spigot cotter joint is used for temporary fastener. Two rods which are subjected to tensile or compressive forces are connected by cotter joint. The ends of the two rods are made in the form of socket and spigot. The socket end receives the spigot end and the cotter is driven through the slots provided in both of them. This type of joints are used to connect the piston rod to the crosshead of steam engine. And some of the terminology we should know while drawing a orthographic view of the cotter joint for round rods. Those are actually small letter D, A, B1, B, C, M, F, H, L, T. These are some of the terminology we used. These terms I'll used it for the calculation for empirical with the calculation with the empirical relation while drawing the orthographic projections where the diameter of the two rods are given. This is the pictorial view of the socket, spigot and cotter. This is the top view of the cotter joint. This is isometric view of the assembly of socket, spigot and cotter. This is the front view, top view, left and right view of the that is socket, spigot, cotter joint. This is about what is the off section. By using the cutting plane, if the object is cutting like this, it is the front view with right half inch section. This is the top view with the section plane. And this is front view with top half inch section. If the object is removed quarterly, then it is visualized like this. The sectioning is made mainly because to know the inner details of the joint. And whatever we are represented here, this one and this one, it is a slots. And this is a full section. This is a spigot. This is socket and this is cotter. And this is the clearance that is provided in the socket. So this is actually it is when you take a section here, if the object is cut fully, then it is visualized like this. It is a full sectional view. And this is about that is cotter. If the diameter of the rod it is given 20, the terms used in the cotter are mean width of the cotter, it is B, thickness of the cotter, here this one, that is known by side view and a top view. Length of the cotter, it is known by the front view. So mean width of the cotter, it is represented by letter B, it is 1.3D. D, if you take 20, it is 26 millimeter. Thickness of the cotter, it is T is equal to 0.3D, 0.3 into 20, it is 6 mm. Length of the cotter is represented by a letter small l, that is equal to 4 into T, 4 into 20, it is 80 millimeter. So first you write the mean width of the cutter. Mean width of the cutter, it is 26, you write first. Then take actually a 40 millimeter towards up and towards down. Then from the end of this, calculate the width of the top face. Width of the top face is represented by B1 or B suffix T. It is 20 here. This is given 26 plus 40 by 30. That gives 27.33. From this point, you take 27.33. Then width of the bottom of the cutter, it is 26. It is given here 26 minus of 40 by 30. It is 24.67. From here to here, take 26.6, 24.67. From here to, that is from edge of the bottom face is corrected to the that is edge of the width which is written at the top face. Then this line, it is inclined and it is a taper of 1:30. And this is top view that represents it. How to draw a top view is represented here. And this is about socket end. So this is the socket, this is rod end, and this socket end. This is the diameter of the rod. Outside it is diameter of the socket. Inside diameter of the socket, it is shown here. This one, this is inside diameter of the socket, and width of the socket collar. Distance from the socket end to the slot. Here, from here to the slot, it is possible to calculate it is 18 mm. That is distance socket end to the slot. So it is 19.25. So 19.25 means actually it is from end to that is slot. From here we have provided actually a slot here that is clearly explained while I'll take up and draw the orthographic view. Thickness of socket at the rod end. This one, it is 10 mm. The value it is represented by letter H. And length of the socket, including the collar, it is 84 millimeter. It is 4.2 D. And this is spigot. This is rod end. This is spigot end. This is the slot that is provided. This is the collar. This is diameter of the spigot. It is represented by small letter D1. It is 1.2D. It is 24 millimeter. And diameter of the spigot collar. This one, it is 1.5D. It is 30 mm. Thickness of the spigot collar, it is 0.4D. That is represented by a letter smart E. It is 8 mm. And mean width of the slot. Mean width of the slot actually it is from here to this point. It is 29 millimeter. Distance between the spigot collar and the slot from here to here. It is represented by C. Distance from end of the slot to the rod end from here to this one. It is 24 millimeter. So and excluding the collar, the length of the spigot, it is A plus B1 plus C. It is 63 millimeter. And this is the terminology we used it while drawing the orthographic views of the socket, spigot, and cutter joint. For the cutter, you should remember, so mean width of the cutter, thickness of the cutter, length of the cutter, and in the socket, diameter of the socket collar, diameter of outer diameter of the socket, inner diameter of the socket, width of the collar, then the value of M, H, and length of the socket you should know. In the spigot, diameter of the spigot, diameter of spigot collar, thickness of the spigot collar, mean width of the slot, and distance between the spigot collar and slot, and distance from the end of the slot to the rod end. This value should be remembered. Then, so here, In the examination, they'll given the diameter of the rod. In this, actually, it is required to draw the front with top of a section and a left view. So this actually, so first draw the front view. From that, you have projected a side view. And in the examination, the same question is given in this form. It is required to draw the socket and spigot type of counter joint. In that, actually, it is required to write the sectional front view, top view showing the front of in section, and side view looking from the socket end. So that is required to draw it. So here your only diameter is given. All the values you should remember in terms of a diameter and required to draw the orthographic projection. And also, if you know that is each part how it is, then in terms of diameter to remember it is very easy. So this actually, so this is the assembly of that is spigot, socket, and cotter. So one, yeah, I take only this socket. Socket in this actually, I already told, I already mentioned it actually in the socket. This is the rod end. This is the socket end. This is the socket, and this is the inner diameter of the socket. This is the this one. It is the outer diameter of the socket, and the slot is provided throughout that that is socket. So some of the portions are also utilized in the collar. So like this, the slot is there. And this is the spigot. Spigot. This is the rod end. This is spigot end. This that is slot that is provided here, and this is the collar of the spigot. And if you see this, this is the diameter of the that is rod. This is the diameter of the that is spigot collar. This is the diameter of the spigot. These are the different terms we used in case of spigot. And then if you see only the cotter, in the cotter actually it is given clearly mentioned. So taper is there. Taper, it is 1:30. You see this part, if you visualize it like this, this is straight portion, and this one is have a taper of 1:30, and the top is represented like this. Okay, and so this is the socket. The socket receives the spigot. Socket receives the spigot, and with the help of the cotter, we insert it and complete the assembly. We should require front view, top view, and a side view. Side view is represented like this. Okay. That completes socket, spigot, and cotter joint. Please work it out. If you take diameter of the rod is 20 mm and write the front view, top view, and side view, with and without section. That completes it. Thank you and all.